Dear all, welcome all of you to this online training program. I'm sure you all are keeping well and doing your best to contain the increasing crisis that is going on at the field. Meeting all of you in person in these training always a pleasure to interact and to know about the field realities. But as all of you know, due to lockdown, this is the new normal. And moving forward, we have to take these sessions and through the online meeting using this application, which is Zoom, one of them among the most famous one. I'm sure many of you would be well aware about the application. But moving forward and before organizing the training, we have to make people informed about the do's and don'ts on the Zoom application. How to mute, how to unmute, how to put your video on, how one can put their uh, questions, queries into the chat box. So, to do so, we have put this effort of making a small video which will help you understand it better. Step 1 is to download the application from the iPhone App Store or Android Google Play, or you can also visit the Zoom website from where you will be provided with a link to download it on your laptop or on your desktop. Once you ask to join a Zoom meeting, you'll share with a Zoom meeting link, which is shown here as a meeting link. So you need to click on that meeting link, and then a pop-up box will come where you'll be asked to insert the password, which is a 6-digit alphanumeric or numeric password, which you need to insert, and then you'll be allowed to join the meeting. As shown in the earlier slide, once you click on the Zoom meeting link, this window will pop up where you'll be asked to click on the Open Zoom meeting as shown in this diagram as well. Once you click on the Open Zoom meeting and after inserting the password, you'll be routed to this window which is right in front of you. This means that you have successfully joined the meeting. For all the first timers, on the left side below this circle in red is the link for putting your video on or off. If you put it once, it will switch on the camera and you can be visible to all the audiences, and if you press it once again or click it once again, you will be switched off from the video. Similarly, this mic sign is a sign to switch on your mic or switch off your mic if you feel like to share something there in the meeting or in the training. As in the training, Zoom also allow you to raise your hand and to make the facilitator informed that you want to share something. And to do so, you first need to click on the participants link, and then once you click on the participants link, on the right side there will be a box open up where you'll see a link for raise hand. You need to click this raise hand button and you'll be notified, your name will be notified to the facilitator that you want to ask something. Similarly, for putting up a question for the facilitator, you need to type it in the chat box, and to do so you need to click on the chat link below, and then on the right side a box will appear where you can type your message and send that to the facilitator or to the audiences. You can also mark it only to a specific person if you feel like, and that you can do so with putting this down button, and you can select the name of the person who you want to send the message across. With these, we have come to the end of this application information, and I hope we have, I have clarified most of the information related to the Zoom application, and you'll be comfortable using it once we'll organize the training for all of you. Look forward meeting you in the training. See you all. Take care. Stay safe.